Hello grade 7s. We're going to be doing hydraulics and pneumatics today. There is going to be after this video, there are 2 other YouTube introductory videos that you must watch. Then you must read through the core notes. I did a read through and I've posted that video on my YouTube channel. But please note that there's no picture. Okay, it is just audio, even though it's a video. It's just to help you to read through the notes. And then after you've done that, then you must do your worksheet. Okay. Now, hydraulics and pneumatics is using the power of a gas, such as air, and a liquid, such as water or oil, to move things. In other words, it is air-powered or it is water or liquid-powered. In a pneumatic and hydraulic system, there is always a cylinder. So this is a cylinder, and then there is a piston, and the piston goes inside the cylinder. Okay. Now, this syringe, would you say at the moment, is it full or empty? I would say, and scientifically I know this to be true, that it is full. It is filled with a gas, which we call air. How do we know that a gas can take up space like it is doing in here? We know that by blowing up a balloon. When you blow up a balloon, you are filling a balloon with air, and the air is taking up space. Okay. Now, here's something interesting. If I close this and I push here, I'm sure you've all done this before. It bounces back. Do you see that? The reason why it bounces back like that is because air is compressible. The word compress means to squash or to squish. Okay? So I am busy squishing the air. I am compressing it. Okay? But when I let it go, it decompresses, and that is why the plunger goes back out again. Okay. I'm using quite a bit of force. My fingers are actually getting quite sore. I'm now going to take the syringe and I'm going to fill it with water. There you can see it's now filled with water. Just in case you don't believe me, there's evidence. I just squeeze some out. Now, I'm going to do the same experiment. I'm going to fill the hole and I'm going to try and push the plunger in. Okay. I try as I might. I do not have the strength to push it in. In fact, the only way that anyone could possibly have enough strength to push the plunger in is if they were to release the output of the syringe, of the cylinder, and allow the water to go out. As we continue, you will see that hydraulics and pneumatics is actually very similar to levers. With levers, you can move something, you can apply a force in one place, and then an input force and the output force will come through in a totally different area. So here you can see I've got a pneumatic and hydraulic system. Okay, this one is pneumatic simply because it is filled with air. Had I filled it with water, it would have been a hydraulic system. So the main difference between pneumatics and hydraulics is that pneumatics uses air or gas, and hydraulics uses liquid or water or oil. Okay. If I were to push on this side, watch what happens to the other syringe. As you can see, it follows. Okay. In a pneumatic system, I am now changing the direction because I'm pushing down, and that is going up. Okay. Right. So it's got 2 cylinders, 2 pistons, and there we've got a connecting tube as well. And that is as simple as it is. Now you need to watch the 2 introductory videos. After that, you're going to read through your core notes, which you can use my read through on YouTube to help you. And then you are going to answer the questions If you get stuck, don't stress, don't worry, just send me a message and I'll help you through it. Enjoy.